Welcome to another one of our Bluebeam Revu how-to tutorials, brought to you by BricsCAD Limited, where we show you how to maximize the potential of your investment in Bluebeam Revu. BricsCAD are the oldest established Bluebeam partner and your premium Bluebeam solutions provider. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to show you how to create and use digital signatures in Bluebeam Revu. Digital signatures ensure the authenticity and integrity of your digital ID when signing and validating documents electronically, as well as those of your colleagues and project partners. Revu provides you with two types of digital signatures. A digital ID file creates a password-protected digital ID file using the PKCS number 12 format. This file format is accepted by most security applications and web browsers. A digital ID in the Windows Certificate Store creates a digital ID in the Windows Certificate Store, where it is available to other Windows applications. This digital ID is protected by your Windows login. In the menu bar, click on Tools. Now go to Signature. Then choose Sign Document. Now click and drag a box in the area you want to apply your digital signature. In this example we will select Create Digital ID in Windows Certification Store. Enter your details required in the new Digital ID dialog box. When you are done filling in your details, click OK. You should now see a dialog box showing your newly created digital signature. Click OK. A Save As dialog box opens where you can now choose a location to save your newly created digital ID. Choose your location. Click Save. Your newly created digital ID will be placed in the area you drew the digital ID signature box. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video useful. You can visit our website, www.brightergraphics.com, for more videos in the how-to series and all things Bluebeam Revu. We at BricsCAD welcome your feedback to help us to improve.